Hello, I'm going to show you how to craft 4 pistol holsters fast in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's get all 4 pistol holsters. First, you need to unlock the crafting menu after progressing through the early story missions. Once you have access to crafting, open your map and start collecting the materials needed for the upgrades. For the pistol holsters, you'll need hunting materials, like leather from animals, so head to islands with animals and hunt them to gather enough resources. All right, after collecting everything, open the crafting menu and select the pistol holster upgrade. Craft each upgrade one by one until you reach the 4th pistol holster. The 4th holster lets Edward carry more pistols, making combat much easier because you can switch between multiple weapons without stopping. And that's how you craft 4 pistol holsters fast in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced.